LG's even jet convection delivers the ideal temperature and airflow needed for faster preheating and more precise cooking. In this video, we will show you how to properly use the convection feature on your LG oven. Unlike standard oven cooking, where radiant heat slowly warms up the interior of the oven, convection cooking uses a fan to evenly distribute the oven's heat within the interior of the oven cavity during the cooking cycle, which results in a more uniform cooking experience. Convection cooking is ideal for multi-rack baking and for cooking that involves trays and baking pans with lower sides that allow the hot air to circulate freely and have more direct exposure to the food surfaces. Generally, foods with high surface-to-mass ratios such as pizzas are ideal for convection cooking. If the hot air cannot circulate around the food surface, the convection feature will be ineffective. When using any of the convection features on your LG oven, the convection auto conversion feature will automatically convert entered regular temperatures into convection baking temperatures. If you enter a regular recipe temperature of 350 degrees Fahrenheit and press the Start key, the display will show the converted temperature, which in this case would be 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Because convection cooking is more efficient in transferring heat to the food, it doesn't require as much heat. That's why your oven takes this into account and automatically lowers the temperature. Begin by pressing the Convection Bake key on your control panel. Next, set the oven temperature and then press the Start key. The display will show the converted temperature. Once the oven reaches the desired temperature, a tone will sound and the display will show the auto-converted temperature along with the convection icon. The auto-conversion feature is enabled by default but can also be disabled. Press the Setting key on your control panel. The control panel should display Convection Auto Conversion, 1 to enable and 2 to disable. Press 2 and then press Start. After the preheat temperature has been reached and the convection fan is turned on, you may hear it cycling on and off. For effective convection cooking, make sure pans do not touch each other or the walls of the oven. Convection oven temperatures can be set anywhere between 300 degrees to 550 degrees, depending on the type of oven. For wall ovens, lower temperatures can be set.